How's it going, YouTube? Today we are working on a Jeep Grand Cherokee, taking off the rear door panel and the front door panel. All you should need is a plastic pry bar, screwdriver, a size 7 socket, and a size 10 socket. First, we'll go ahead and remove our covers. You're going to have one behind the door handle. We can use a pick for that. Just kind of reach in there, pop it free. And then also you're going to have a cover behind the grab handle. Behind the grab handle, you're going to have a size 7 socket. We can go ahead and take that out. Then we'll swap out to our size 10. Go ahead and grab the bolt behind the door handle. Then also behind the door handle, you're going to have a Phillips bit. So we'll go ahead and grab that out as well. Now that we have all the bolts and screws out, we can go ahead and go to the bottom of the door with our plastic pry tool. Just kind of start at the bottom. These Jeeps can be pretty tight, so you might have forced it a little bit. And then once you get to the top over here, there's one more that sometimes can be tricky. We'll go ahead and grab our plastic pry bar, kind of reach in there, pop it out, kind of like so. And then be careful of your door lock. You can kind of lock it down, kind of pry up just like that. And that's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. Alright, now we're on the front door panel. Pretty much the same process, but I will go ahead and show you guys how to unplug the harnesses and also get the door handle out on the front door. But you're going to have one cover behind the grab handle. You're going to have one cover behind the door handle. Pretty much same process, kind of start closer to the door handle. There's like a little bit of a gap in there. You can reach your pick in there and pry out. You're going to have a 7 behind the grab handle. And then you're going to have the 10 behind the door handle. Alright, now we'll get our screw out. Alright, now that we have the hardware out, we can go ahead and pry the door panel off. I want to go ahead and show you guys this door handle actually does fully come out. You can actually see it's kind of loose here. But once you pop this door panel, and once again, these can be kind of tight, so just be mindful. Looks like this side actually might pop off easily. And it does. Alright, so just be mindful when you go to pop this door panel and you wiggle it up, this door handle is going to want to try to come out. And I can show you guys the wiring harnesses for the lock as well. Well, I thought it popped out. There it goes. Alright, so trying to hold this steady, kind of show you guys, this pops completely free when you undo both the bolts, which makes it a lot easier when you go to put the door handle back in. It's kind of hard to put this door handle on, or I'm sorry, hard to put the door panel on with the handle in place. So I find it easier just to go ahead and take the door handle completely off. And I'll go ahead and move the camera and show you guys the wiring harnesses for the switches. Went ahead and took the door panel off to show you guys a better kind of view of this. You're going to have 2 wiring harnesses. I already showed you guys the door handle. But you're going to have one for the window switch. You're going to have this red little tab. You just kind of pull it out, push it in kind of like so. And it's going to be plugged in right here. Hopefully it kind of focuses, but be plugged in right there. And then you're going to have one more right over here, which is also just a simple little push tab. So yeah, that is how you take off the rear and front door on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Thanks for watching.